beautyandtheboutique.com, and today I'm going to share with you a really quick and easy way to wear a headscarf. All you need is a hair bubble, some curvy grips and a scarf. And this scarf I got from a charity shop, so you don't have to go and spend out a fortune if you don't have a scarf at home already. So first things first, I just put my hair up in a scruffy bun. You don't have to worry about things looking neat with this look because it's kind of meant to look effortlessly, kind of like I haven't tried too hard. So I've just put my hair in a scruffy bun. Loosen some hair around the front of your face, so again it looks kind of like, hey, this just happened. But we know it hasn't. Okay, for the scarf, you need to fold it in a certain way. So you're going to fold it from corner to corner. Keep folding it, rolling it and rolling it so that it becomes thin and long. And this part is going to go underneath your bun, and you're going to wrap it around your head, take it to the side, give it a little knot, one knot, and then secure it with another knot, as tight as you like. Make that knot look a little bit ruched. You want things to kind of look not too neat. Then you've got these two ears. With these two ears, you're going to take the end and you're going to tuck it into the knot. You're going to take the other one and you're going to tuck it into the knot or under the headband, whatever is easiest for you. Then neaten up any edges that you feel need a little bit of a neaten up. And there you have a really quick and easy up style to a plain t-shirt. Give it a go, step outside your comfort zone because I think you'll really love the compliments that come your way when you wear it. Hope you've had fun and see you soon in another video. Bye!